Hey guys, RTT back here for that video. Guys, today we're running a benchmark on Geekbench 5 on all three of these devices. Of course, this is going to go ahead and be the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the Surface Duo, and also the Galaxy Fold 3 5G. Now, these are the two on the screen right now, two of the best foldable phones currently on the market. And of course, we do have a non-foldable phone, which is going to go and be the iPhone 12 Pro Max. But right now, at this moment, these are one of the best phones each of these companies has to offer: Apple, Microsoft, and Samsung, especially when it comes to the foldable phone market. So we're going to see how these three compare. I did a benchmark a couple months ago comparing the Surface Duo to the iPhone, and the iPhone definitely blew away the Surface Duo. So I wanted to see how would it compare with adding in the Galaxy Fold 3, especially because Galaxy Fold 3 is very, very good when it comes to the power of this phone. So we're going to see which of these compete the best. I'm going to guess that the iPhone still is going to beat the Surface Duo, but I think it's going to have a kind of more closer call when it comes to the Galaxy Fold 3. Main reason why is because the Fold 3 is going ahead and rocking more gigabytes of RAM than the Surface Duo. It's also an updated processor than the Surface Duo, so it's more in line of what the iPhone 12 Pro Max is going to give you. With the Surface Duo, we have more of an older processor, so that's definitely taken away from the performance. So it's going to be interesting to see, especially once we get the Surface Duo 2 and I benchmark that. How does that compare to these three different phones? Nonetheless, though, it looks like the benchmark is coming to an end here, guys. So my guess right now, I'm just going to go ahead and give my guess. I think the iPhone will be the best, and I think the Surface Duo will be the worst, in my opinion. But nonetheless, though, here is the iPhone's marks. So we have 1602 single core, 4072 for the multi-core. Scrolling down here, here is the other specs. You guys are interested. Let me go ahead and focus the camera on this. And we have all other specs. The Fold 3 is up next. But here are the other specs for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So definitely interesting. But let's go ahead and now take a look at the Surface, at the Fold 3. That's going to go ahead and come in at a number of 911 and 3126. So iPhone definitely taking this easily over the other two foldable phones, as the Surface Duo does come in at 735 and 2753. So I will say a lot more comparable with the Fold 3 to the iPhone rather than the Surface Duo to the iPhone. But it's definitely one of those things where you got to keep in mind that this Surface Duo and this Fold 3 are running two screens at the same exact time. So you're getting that kind of performance out of two actual displays running at the same time, while the iPhone is running one single display. So even the fact that these two can compare to an iPhone is absolutely amazing, especially with the technology, progressing obviously, but slowly progressing with the foldable phones. It's not as progressed as an iPhone is. So that is very, very cool to see. It actually is comparable. And I know my camera is not really gonna pick this up too well because of the screens, but it is very, detail when it comes to the numbers. So let's go ahead and just take a look at, I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down here and tell you guys this, because I know I'm not gonna be able to show it on the screen. What's it called? Actually, I was gonna ray tracing. Ray tracing is 4510. Obviously that's dealing with gaming. For the Surface Duo, for the Galaxy Fold 3, ray tracing's coming at 5,033. So keep in mind, 5,033 compared to 4,510. So somewhat similar. And for the iPhone, we're going to go ahead and see ray tracing at a total of 6,728. So again, like I said, in every single department, we're going to see the iPhone absolutely destroy these other two phones. But in all honesty, it's very close looking at the numbers. I'm really interested to see how this, ends up looking once we go ahead and get the the Surface Duo 2. I kind of compare the numbers for that phone, and then moving forward, with other phones, I am going to be picking up the Samsung Galaxy S22 when it does launch early next year. I'm thinking about right now picking up the S21 Fan Edition and seeing how that truly compares to these other three devices. And I will say, very interesting information today. While the iPhone is still the best, I still think, these numbers, especially with the foldable phones and how they're newer, really, really good numbers. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy this video. Like, comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.